Hello everybody. I finally found this 5 surprise Zuru 5 surprise my mini baby in my grocery store, and I really look forward to opening this one because they are so cute. I'm also trying out my new headphones, so if the sound is different, that is why. So let's get to it. This is my mini baby from Zuru 5 surprise, and I really want to see how they are. I hope they fit like Barbie dolls and fashion dolls. Okay, this is my first my mini baby, so I really hope they are cool, you know. Okay, let's see. My mini baby looks like a blanket or something. And is this the baby? The baby. Okay, first I will look at this. Oh, it's like a certificate for, oh, here you have a new baby. Oh, that's cute. Oh, they really are adorable. Oh. Okay, I think I will start with this one. I'm sure this is the baby. No, it's a crib. Where's the baby? This baby. Oh, there's a crib. Oh no, I have to assemble a crib. Oh, I'm not really good with this assembling things, you know. But it's a nice, really nice bed. So, okay. Okay, and here's the instructions. Okay, okay, it doesn't really look too hard. Then. It was quite easy to assemble. It's a really nice looking look. It's really nice looking. It was easy to assemble. That's great. Okay. And this is maybe a blanket then or something, I don't know. Or is it the baby? No, it's what's this? Oh, it's something cute. Oh, it's diapers. Look, like really small diapers. Look, this is so cute. And this is like maybe is it like a mini poncho or blanket or something, or with a rainbow here. Oh, it's really adorable. It's so cute. And this is, oh, this is for the bed. It's like the bed linen. It feels like really soft. It's got a nice feel to it. Oh, I really like this. It's so cute. Okay, and hopefully this is then a baby. A baby now. It's a baby. It's an adorable baby. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this baby. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's quite, look, it's almost like some like real, oh, it's kind of lifelike in a way. Like it feels like, okay, babies don't feel like rubber, but I mean it's like I think it's like a baby boy. You can't really see the private parts, of course, but it's like a boy here, like so. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute, cute little baby. What, it should be like this? This? Okay, it's like this. Okay. A long time ago, I changed diapers. Sure, I had to change the diaper here. It's like this, okay, like that. Okay. Now it's getting back to me. Okay, like that. Oh, this is so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. And I really like when I collect dolls and such. I really like love the baby stuff, but this is so cute. Oh my god, I can't say anything else than this is cute. Look. Oh, the cute sleepy face. Oh, so adorable. So adorable. Oh. Yeah, I really like this one. It's a good quality baby. It sounds stupid to say that. It's a good quality baby, like for a toy. It's really a good baby for like dolls, for Barbie dolls. It's a good fit for Barbie dolls, other fashion dolls, of course. Like what's it called, Integrity Toys, Fashion Royalty. I might have one of those. You can have this as the baby. Oh, but so cute. He's like the cutest baby. Oh, like sleeping there. Look. Oh, so cute. I really like this one. I will buy more of these babies, I think, because they were easy to assemble, the bedding, and the baby is really so cute. I don't really know what. That's the one I got there. So I'm really happy with this purchase. It's like the cutest baby, and I really like him. It's so cute. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope your summer is going great, or whenever you watch this. But thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.